Today's house we love is a little different than what we normally share. It's a terraced house overlooking beautiful Lake Turano in the region of Lazio, very close to ABRUZZO and several regional and national parks. There are 2 bedrooms on the main floor and another sleeping area on the mezzanine. There is also a small back garden and working fireplace for extra coziness in the colder months. All utilities are present and ready to be put into a new owner's name. This excellent, move-in, ready condition home is on the market for just €75,000. It's only about 60 kilometers from Rome, so it could make a wonderful weekend getaway home from Northern Europe. Amongst many interesting places to explore in the surrounding area, there is Castello di Rocca Sinibalda, in the village of the same name, which is one of the most well-preserved ancient fortresses in Italy. There are also several restaurants, cafes and places to buy groceries dotted around the lake, and the nearest large town with most services is Rieti, which is about 30 kilometers to the north. Thanks so much for watching, liking, sharing and subscribing. Your support is really appreciated and allows us to keep making videos of houses we love in Italy. If you like this property and have any questions, please contact the realtor directly. A link to their original listing can be found in the video notes below.